Hello mga ka-tribes! Welcome to Daddy Brew TV. For today's video, let's have lesson 4, the normal curve. Illustrating the normal random variable and its characteristics. So what's new? Let's have first an activity. The distribution of the height in centimeter of the 16 teachers of MNHS Senior High School was presented below. Construct a histogram for the random variable. So here is the table for the given problem. There is one faculty whose height is 138 centimeter. There are two faculties whose height is 139 centimeters. There are three faculties whose height is 140 centimeters, and there are four faculties whose height is 141 centimeters. There are also three faculties whose height is 142 centimeters. There are two faculties whose height is 143 centimeters, and there is one faculty whose height is 144 centimeters. So this is the histogram of the given data. As you notice, the mean of the distribution can be found at the center, which is 141 centimeters. And the distribution from the center to the right is a mirror of the distribution to the left. So in the activity above, the distribution of the height of the teachers is one of the examples of the distribution of a normal random variable because the set of numerical values is normally distributed. Height is also described as continuous random variable. You have also noticed that the mean of the distribution can be found at the center, which is 141 centimeter, and the distribution from the center to the right is a mirror of the distribution to the left as shown. Now, what is a normal probability distribution? A normal probability distribution is a probability distribution of continuous random variables. Okay, let's talk about properties of normal curve. First, the normal curve is bell-shaped. Second, the curve is symmetrical about its center. Third, the mean, median, and mode coincide at the center. Fourth, the width of the curve is determined by the standard deviation of the distribution. Fifth, the tails of the curve are plotted in both directions and flatten out indefinitely along the horizontal axis. And sixth, the total area under a normal curve is 1 or 100%. Now, here's the graph now of a normal curve. As you can see, from the center coincides with the mean, median, and mode. And the left side and the right side are symmetrical. And it is also unimodal. And the curve or the normal curve is asymptotic to the x-axis. Now, a normally distributed random variable with a mean mu equal to 0 and standard deviation sigma equal to 1 is called a standard normal variable, as shown in this figure. The standard normal distribution, whose mean is equal to 0 and whose standard deviation is 1. Now, when comparing two distributions, each described by the normal curve, the following are the three solutions or situations based on the set parameters. What are these two parameters? The mean and the standard deviation. First, if the mean are not equal but the standard deviations are equal, the graph looks like this. As you notice, they have the same figure but the mean are not equal. So it means the standard deviations are equal. Second, if the mean are equal but the standard deviations are not equal. So as you can see, the normal curve are different but the mean are equal. So if they are different, standard deviations are not equal. Third, the means are different and the standard deviation are different. So as you can see, the curve are different and their also means are different. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye. See you in part 2.